apt-get install is not working in WSL. Windows 10 Ubuntu Bash failing to install packages. Whenever I try install new package with below command, getting same error. This is not just with Atom package, but I tried installing other packages like pip as well and received same error. Executed below 2 commands and then I was able to install the packages. Source, this URL.
System, Windows 10 Enterprise, Ubuntu Windows Subsystem for Linux. I ran this command. I had this error. I then ran. And it installed properly.
This fixed it perfectly for me, this URL. Reposting in case the link ever dies. Step number 1. On the Ubuntu distro, create a file at this location /etc/wsl.conference. The file should have the following configuration. If we don't set this file, WSL will automatically load a default /etc/resolve.conference with default name server configuration. Shut down and restart the distro. Step number 2. Delete the default /etc/resolve.conference file. Create a new /etc/resolve.conference with the following entry. Now, restart the WSL2 and open the distro again. The apt update on WSL2 should work like a charm.
What was working for me? Or
if you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.